Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways. We've got a review for you for today of the Nomad American Parks palette. If you remember from last week, I told you I had some palettes on my wish list. I was thinking about picking up a couple of them, but obviously I couldn't. Can't afford to pick up all of them. This one I said it was coming off the wish list pretty quick, and here it is. And I placed the order on our Friday, and I received it on a Monday. Super fast shipping. If you are new here, welcome. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Natasha Denona Coral palette. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. If you look in the description box down below under current giveaways, it talks about how to enter this one. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety and be subscribed. Obviously, I can't show you what's on my eyes today because this is what we are doing. I'm so excited. I haven't played with the new eyeshadow palette for a little while. So I love that everything in here is 100% recyclable. There's no plastics in here. So let's open her up. There's a little sticker, American Parks, Wandering, Never Lost. Here's what the outer packaging looks like. I love that it looks like the park badges on it. I've been to some parks, but because I live out west, but there's a lot that I still really want to go to, even out west. Like I'd really want to go down to Zion's. That looks amazing. And then here is what the inner packaging looks like. Look how they are all embossed. How cool is that? So this does retail for $39. I do love that there's a big mirror on the one side. It's really quick. It does say, welcome to the magnificent national parks, rich and beautiful 15 eyeshadow formula with extra fine pigments for majestic color payoff. You have 7 gleaming shimmers, 6 blooming mattes, and 2 shifting metallics. I love shifting metallics. All inspired by the lands of America, the beautiful, infused with jojoba oil for smooth and long-wearing color. It is cruelty-free and vegan and 100% plastic-free. There is no plastic in any of this. I can't wait to dive in. So let's do a couple of the swatches. Here you have Old Faithful. It is a matte golden rod yellow. I'm gonna have to do this upside down so I don't blind you guys. And I'm sorry, I'm gonna butcher this. Cahoga Valley, shimmering bright autumn yellow is this one here. This kind of green matte in the middle is Everglades. It is a matte swamp greenery. Here we have Acadia Lighthouse, shimmer sea blue. I do love how, okay, can you see like how Old Faithful has like, I'm just gonna pick up, but it's like a little fountain basically. And then that one is the lighthouse. I think it's really cool how they emboss some stuff in here. And then this one here is South Rim. It is a matte sunset purple. Oh, but that was, Old Faithful was so creamy, you guys. I did put a little bit of primer on my hand to give it a more true representation. So I'm gonna do one swipe first, and then we'll see if we can build some of these up if need be. So that is one swipe. Now let's try building those up just a little bit. And there you go, built up. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That blue. Oh. Mammoth Cade. It is a shifting metallic bronze olive. Teton Range. I have been there. Gorgeous. It is a shimmer swirl golden brown. Rainforest Shimmer Swirl Rainforest Green. Next to that, Mount Denali. It is your Shimmer Swirl Glacier Gray. Can you see how both of those are kind of swirly? And then Big Bend is a Shifting Metallic Charcoal Lavender. See how it kind of goes purple to gray? Pretty pretty. So those are one swatches, one swipe. So let's see if we can build them up a little bit. And there they are, kind of built up. But see how the one goes from purple to kind of the gray. And then this bottom row, the first one is Giant Redwoods. It is a matte redwood red. I've never been to the Redwoods. I really want to. This one here is Delicate Arch. I have been to Arches National Park. That's pretty amazing. Shimmering Sandstone is what this one is. Blue Ridge Parkway. Matte. It is a matte T-top. It is a matte T-top. It is a matte treetop green. The Narrows, a Shimmery Canyon Coral, and Half Dome is a matte Bear Brown. So that is one swipe, super pigmented on the one swipes. There they are all built up. You could do so many fun things with this look. I mean, you could easily do a green look. You can do almost a blue and silver look. You can do a purple look. You can do a nude look. You can do a copper look, a yellow look, and then mix and match. And I'm gonna try and mix some of them so we can play with some of these colors today. Highly impressed so far with the layout. Can't wait to see how they perform on the eyes. So I think I'm going to start with a brown on top as it transitions. I'd see if I can go in super lightly with this shade because it is so deep. I just want to tap it. Oh, I'm glad I started lower, kind of in the crease area. And then we can kind of bring up whatever's left. So pretty. Okay, and now I'm gonna take let's do this green just a little bit into that crease and bring it up just a little bit. I just don't want these to muddy together. Okay, now let's take that deeper matte. I take that in the crease and over the lid. So how are you guys doing? It's been a crazy week for my family. As some of you guys know, I've been around here for a little while. It's been a crazy couple months. Back in November, my husband's sister died from cancer. And then in May, my husband's grandmother died just from kind of old age. And then this weekend, my husband's cousin died from COVID. And so it's been a lot for one family. But my son, and I just love his friends. They're just like kind of second sons to me. And I love when they come over and hang out. And so they were over here this afternoon before they all went to go see A Quiet Place 2. They like the scary movies. And so they were kind of over here and we were kind of just playing monikers with them. And it was fun just to hang out with them. I haven't seen those kids because they all go away to college. And so, and one of them, his parents aren't even going to live here hardly anymore. And so I just hope that we still get to see him. Just kind of blending that out. I think I'm going to take this blue in the outer corner, this green across the lid, and then this yellow in the inner corner. And I'm I'm just going to use my finger. Oh, that lays down so pretty over that green. Love it. Ooh, that green is gorgeous. That it is the high rainforest, the Ho rainforest. Oh, that's so, so pretty. I love the blue and the green next to each other. Let's see, I'll take the yellow with my finger first, and then I'll use a brush to kind of get more detailed. And just kind of tap back and forth to mix the two. And I kind of really want to use this purple, and I usually don't use a shimmer on the lower lash, but I think I'm going to kind of play with these. So let's tightline this one, mainly concentrating in that outer corner. Bring in whatever's left inside. And then I'm going to just take a small brush, and I'm just, there's no product on it, I'm just kind of run that underneath to kind of buff that out just a little bit as I'm looking up. Then let's take some of that big bend, that sparkle, and go right underneath where we tightline the other. Now what do you think? What should we do in the very inner corner? Should we just bring that yellow down? Why don't we just do that? So do you guys have plans this summer? Do you have plans to go to any of the parks? We don't really have a whole lot of traveling plans this summer. My son, and next year, wants to go over to, he's getting inspired now because he's a runner in college and watching the Olympic time trials. But next year, over at the same track at Hayward Field over in Eugene, they are going to be doing the World Championships next year. I think it's the Diamond League. And so he wants to go over and see that. So maybe that's what we'll do for next year. Anyway, let me go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. So here you go. Here's the finished look. I love playing with color, and this is such a fun palette, and everything blended so nicely together. You have color, you have neutrals. You can do so much with this palette. I would highly recommend this one. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell, mark that to all. If you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I have an Instagram account if you'd like to follow me over there. It is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. I have a Twitter account. It's that same Beauty Ama B, followed by the number 1. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye.